I'm uploading this video again because for some reason it was deleted by YouTube. So, in this video, you're going to witness cats having botflies in different parts of their body, some in their neck, some in their nose. And not only cats can get it, even humans could get it because they are transferred through mosquitoes as botflies, adult botflies, stick their eggs to the body of the mosquitoes, and when they land on our body, the eggs are dropped from its body and attached on ours, and then it gets buried inside the tissue and starts growing by taking nutrients from our or any other mammal's body in which they are present. So basically, botflies are of parasitic nature. It could even cause the death of the mammal in which they are present. Cats could get it easily because, in their nose especially, because when they sniff on the filthy place, botflies are also present on the areas where there is more dirt, where there is filth. So when they sniff over there, they could get botflies' eggs into their nose easily. You can see that these cats are in so much pain and are screaming every little creatures. These botflies are being removed with the help of tweezers, and afterwards they will be given antiseptics. I hope you like the video. Thank you.